What up YouTube, it's the boy Dwayne again. So today I'm just going to show you how to install your back race peg on a Honda CBR1000RR. So this was what happened to my one. I don't know, the person who had it before me, the bike before me, I think they must have got some big person on the back of it, or so whenever they put your foot on here, you go all the way down compared to the other side, which is just level. So on further investigation, I see that it's broke there. So I went on eBay and I got myself some new ones. So this is what the new one come with. A little tiny bearings there. You come in one of that one there. A little tiny locking washer there. And that one. And you got like a pin that goes through it. And also a little spring. So to fit that all up, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all of this off. So all you need to take off of this one is that's screwed there with the Allen key, this one and that one, and this will just come up, So what I'll do, I'll take this out and come back to you and show you how to assemble the new one. Okay, now I got it off. So now I'm just gonna show you how to assemble the new one. So that's not on there. No, that goes on there. So this one, that one gonna go like that. When your feet go on there, so it's gonna go on there. So first you have to put the spring. I hope you can see that, the spring into this. There's another tiny hole in there just beside where, so you put the spring into there, and then the bearings, you put the bearing just on top of it, careful not to lose it, and then you get the washer and turn it. If it's the right side, you put this little round bit downwards like that, and then you get the bearings fall off. So I have to get this in there with all of it now. So it's kind of fiddly, so we will do it. We'll get it in there. We're just gonna squeeze it in, put it right there, get it just right in there. As soon as you get it there, and then you just take the pin and try to get it through there. You see that? Then you get the little washer that comes with it, the little locking washer. Put it on there. I need a little tool to get this on. I'm just gonna use this one and get the little locking washer on. This one is kind of fiddled as well. Oh man. So hope you can see what I'm doing there. So get up closer. Oh, drop again. Yeah, it's definitely fiddly, this one, isn't it? Come on. Almost got it on there. Got it. Hang on. I'll have to, let me pause this a minute and then try to get it on there. So all I did just now is just use the pliers and hold it from there to there and clip it on. So you can see that's the bearings in there. So when you move it now, you can move it that way and that way, like that. So all I'm gonna do now is attach it to put it onto the bike, and that should be alright. It's good as ever. So all I'm gonna do now, because I'm using my one hand, is just attach it back to there and there, and make sure the screws go into there, and that's all the screws there. So I'm gonna put it back in there now, the nuts and bolts. I'm trying to fit the camera that I could. It's not working, is it? Let's have a look. Yeah, just about can see it. Okay, let's get it back in there then. Hopefully I'm not in the way. There you go. And all I'm gonna do is just screw it back up now to where it was, and that's it. So if you like my video, as usual, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.